Have you ever noticed that person sitting quietly in a crowded space, minding their own business, yet they seem to have a magnetic pull? People are naturally drawn to them, but they're not even trying to get noticed. So, what is it? What makes some people effortlessly likable? Today, we're diving into the one key factor that could make anyone, including you, instantly more likable. And believe it or not, it's simpler than you might think. This video has 8 essential points, and the last one is my personal favorite. Stick around because you won't want to miss it. 1. Genuinely listen to others. It might sound straightforward, but listening, truly listening, is rare. In most conversations, people are eager to speak, share, and make themselves understood. But when you listen with genuine curiosity, focusing on what the other person is saying instead of planning your next response, people feel seen and valued. They naturally like those who make them feel heard. Studies show that active listening releases oxytocin, a bonding hormone, fostering a sense of trust and connection. So next time you're in a conversation, try focusing entirely on the other person. You'd be surprised how much more likable it makes you. 2. Mirror their body language. People tend to like those who are similar to them, even in subtle ways. Psychologists call this mirroring. When you subtly mimic someone's posture, gestures, or tone, it creates a sense of familiarity. Now, this doesn't mean copying everything they do, that would feel awkward. But by aligning your body language and tone, you send a subconscious message: we're on the same page. The result? A deeper, almost invisible connection that makes people feel comfortable around you. 3. Show genuine appreciation. Think about it. When was the last time someone genuinely complimented you or appreciated something unique about you? We all crave recognition, even in small ways. Expressing authentic gratitude or giving a specific compliment, whether it's about someone's kindness, hard work, or sense of humor, has an instant impact. It shows you're paying attention and you value them, and this tends to draw people toward you. Small acts of appreciation can make a huge difference. 4. Be open-minded. People feel safer and more relaxed around open-minded individuals. When you approach conversations without rigid opinions or judgment, it opens the door to a real connection. Open-mindedness is the willingness to see things from someone else's perspective, to listen without immediately dismissing their ideas. When people sense that you're genuinely curious about their views, they're more likely to enjoy your company and open up to you in return. 5. Practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes and understand how they feel. It's more than just sympathizing, it's actively trying to feel their perspective. Neuroscience shows that empathy activates specific areas of the brain linked to compassion and understanding, making others feel connected to you. When someone knows you understand and care, they feel valued and are drawn to you on a much deeper level. 6. Embrace humor. A good sense of humor is a universal social magnet. When you laugh with someone, you create a bond. Humor shows that you're approachable and easygoing, traits that most people find comforting and attractive. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian, but being able to laugh at yourself or lighten the mood with a well-timed joke can make you instantly likable. It's not about telling jokes, it's about showing you can enjoy life's lighter side. 7. Maintain eye contact. Eyes are said to be the windows to the soul for a reason. Maintaining eye contact shows attentiveness, sincerity, and confidence. When you hold someone's gaze, it builds trust, making the other person feel seen and understood. However, the key is to keep it natural. Extended, relaxed eye contact can make a person feel truly acknowledged and important, increasing the chance they'll feel positively toward you. 8. Show your authentic self, my favorite. Finally, the most powerful trait you can have to make people like you is authenticity. When you're genuinely yourself, quirks and all, people can sense it. Authenticity is magnetic because it's rare. Many people feel the need to put on a facade or adapt to others' expectations, but there's a refreshing, likable quality to someone who's comfortable in their own skin. Research shows that authenticity leads to deeper connections and lasting friendships. Being real isn't just a trait, it's an invitation for others to be themselves too. And that's it, 8 key points that can make everyone like you a little more. Remember, building genuine connections is more than just tips and tricks, it's about creating trust and respect. From being an active listener to showing your authentic self, each of these actions speaks volumes. It's not about changing who you are, but rather enhancing the qualities that naturally draw others to you. Thanks for joining us on this journey of self-improvement and connection.